What are you doing? We gotta...
Wow. Try to keep your balance on your knees. All right, we have an experienced white belt with a non-experienced white belt. Sparring, keeping it friendly, keeping it playful. Watch out for the box, please. You're already flowing towards the freaking wrong direction. Go back to the center. Reset, go to the center. Hello, wake up. Reset, go to the center.
Oh, resetting?
Yes, reset. Go back to the middle. Reset just means move. You don't have to get back to the center like that.
Yeah.
Tap it up, go. Now, it's good to use wrestling to juxtaposition, but try to use your fundamentals of jiu-jitsu. Move efficiently. Energy efficiency. Don't try to make yourself sweat. You don't need to be an athlete to be good here. Keep him at bay. Your guard needs to be connected. Don't stay floating. Try to get a sensitivity of feel. Really feel the position around where he may be. Grapevine his arms, you know. Try to establish a closed guard. Lock those legs. Use your knees for control. So pinch your knees, extend, push. Off balance him using your abs, your core.
Tell me do all the time, man.
Yes, all the time if he wants to. He has control. That's what it's for. Your job is to escape his guard. So stop laying there and posture up and escape his guard. You can't do anything while you're laying in a posture. I keep asking you not to do this. Fix your posture, Ryan. You can't keep reaching over his head. You cannot submit from the guard. Mr. Anthony, why are you ignoring what I'm telling you? Do not try to attack him in his guard. You need to posture back and escape first. Do not lay there. Thank you. You need to keep moving back. Fix your hips. Square up so your back is straight. Don't worry about what he's trying to control you. You move your legs. Keep moving backwards towards his ankles. Push on his hips. Push your butt back out. Keep going until you pop out. Keep going. Keep going. Stand up if you have to.
Daddy, ain't you going farther?
Daddy, thank you for telling me, but I am trying to pay attention to them too. Jaja, get over there and sit down, please. Thank you.
That's good. That's not.
We don't stop until a submission, sir. Mr. Anthony, let's get this hip escape, or this guard escape. There you go. There you go. Push on his posture and escape towards his ankles. Put one leg up in the middle if you have to. Combat guard. Fix your posture again, sir. There you go. Use a leg, post the other leg to escape. You're pressing too hard. You're going to get submitted that way. Ryan, sit back. Stop sitting. There you go. Keep going. Back. Don't hold your breath. Use your feet. Post and go. Yeah, you see, you're giving him a hard time. So you just keep working the way out. Keep going. Don't admire your handiwork. And yes, he probably farted. Keep going. It happens. He can't control it. You're pushing on his belly. Take advantage, man. Come on, man. I know. He cheated by using a gas bomb. I know. Okay, turn and get off the wall. You see that? You could have escaped, but he just let you do it. Come on, man. We don't have all day. Just sit in the cloud. Get away from it. Tap it up. Go again. All right, how about getting a superior position this time, Ryan? Don't play his guard. Move around it before he establishes it. Whoa! Good Lord. Wasn't expecting that. There you go. Slow your roll around before you get tired. You're doing good. Don't mess your position up. There you go. Focus. Keep your connection. Keep your fat boy on. Thank you. Close your legs together. There you go. Tap them up. And just play the grapevine game till he gives you something. Trap and roll only works if you're able to isolate the arm. Ryan knows fundamentals on how to escape that. There you go. Good pressure on the top. Good job. This is like a perfect, good Lord, I cannot speak. A good practical application of your Fat Boy series. The top guard game. Look at y'all tweaking here. Dead edge. Relax, baby. I'm mad this is like a remix of the Weedham Boys. There you go. There you go. Don't play around with it. You had it. Remember, if you get it, hey, go for it. Don't halfway commit. Careful with that neck hug. Look at that, look at that, look at that. What is that? What is that? What is that, Orion? What's he giving you? No, you can't get it from there. You got to put it down. See, I told you you're going fast. You're trying to force it. There you go. Use that technique. You're actually in a lot of control right now, right? So don't give it up. Don't let him pull those little dirty tricks on you, because you got it. I want to see you finish this, sir. You've got him I don't know how many times before. So I'm pretty sure you can submit him again. We're rolling up on 8 minutes now. We're like seriously rolling up on 8 minutes here. You gotta be heavy on the head before you gotta sit up before you do that next time. That's okay. Be careful of the wall. Be careful of the wall.
Yeah, boy.
There you go. Good job, even though I didn't teach him that variation. Good job.
Wait.
We're done. We're done.
Right there.